Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feathercap People and Places. This is chapter number 14, that is invention of wheel. So wheel was not invented in a day. It took a lot of time to invent a wheel. In the earlier time, the earlier man used to carry the luggage on his back. पहले के टाइम पे लोगों के पास wheels नहीं थे, did not have any two-wheelers, three-wheelers or cars or cart to carry some goods from one place to another. So what did they do? They carry the goods on their back, or they use the animals to carry the goods. But for a long distance, it was not possible to carry a lot of goods to one place to another, from one place to another. So he invented a wheel. A man invented a wheel. So in this chapter, we are going to study how the invention of wheel happened. So I hope you are all ready with your books. Let's get started now. Early man carried his luggage on his back. So you can see this man carrying luggage on his back. पहले के टाइम पे लोग अपने बैग के ऊपर रख के, कमर पे रख के जो लगेज थे, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाते थे. Two men carried heavy load hanging on a stick on their shoulders. और नहीं तो दूसरा तरीका क्या था, एक स्टिक को अपने शोल्डर पे रख के और दूसरा मैन जो था वो स्टिक को दूसरी तरफ से पकड़ते थे, एंड जो लोड था, सारा लगेज था, वो उस स्टिक के ऊपर होता था. स्लोली मैन टेम्ड एनिमल्स टू कैरी लोड्स. सो धीरे धीरे इंसान ने डोमेस्टिकेट करना शुरू किया एनिमल्स को. ही टेम्ड एनिमल्स सो दैट दे कैन कैरी लोड्स. Then he made a frame of sticks to place heavy loads on it. So what did he do? He made a frame of sticks to carry loads from one place to another. But it was very difficult to carry these. This frame of sticks was called a sledge. तो इस frame of sticks को sledge बोला जाता था. Animals pulled the sledges. So the animals were used to pull these sledges. But it was difficult to pull heavy loads for a long distance. बट जब लोड ज़्यादा होता था, लगेज ज़्यादा होता था, उसे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस तक लेके जाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती थी. Some clever men saw a log rolling down a hill. He got an idea. एक बार एक आदमी ने लॉग को रोल होते हुए, जो लकड़ी होती है बेसिकली, ये दिस इज अ लॉग को रोल होते हुए ऊपर से नीचे तक देखा. So he got an idea. He put some round sticks under the sledge. He decided to put some round sticks under the sledge. कि राउंड स्टिक्स को स्लेज के नीचे लगाएंगे, so it can move easily. Now it was easier and faster to move. So after putting these sticks under the sledge, it was easier and faster to move from one place to another. First wheel was made by cutting a round disc from a log. So पहली wheel कैसे बनी? एक बड़े से लॉग के अंदर से राउंड स्टिक को काट के, एक राउंड डिस्क को काट के जो था व्हील बनाया गया. It was made from wood. Now a hole was made in the center. कैसे बनाया गया? एक होल बनाया गया डिस्क के सेंटर में, जो कि लॉक का डिस्क था. An axle was fixed to a pair of wheels. So this is a axle. ये जो है, this is known as the axle. इसके अंदर जो है, इसके साथ व्हील को अटैच किया गया. He fixed the sledge on the axle. और इस एक्सल के ऊपर स्लेज को जो है फिक्स किया गया. The first cart was ready. और इस तरीके से पहली कार्ट जो थी वो इन्वेंट हुई. Now he rode and moved his goods on the cart. Now it was easy for the man to carry the goods from one place to another. Wheel was used in the making clay pots. फिर धीरे धीरे wheels के अलग purpose से use होने लगा. Wheel was used by potters to make clay pots, and it is also known as the potter's wheel. और इसलिए potter's wheel के नाम से भी हम wheel को जो है use किया जाता है to make the clay pots or to do the pottery. Now the bicycles, motors, trains all move on wheels. Now every vehicle have wheels. It may be to a bicycle, it can be a motors, trains or anything. You will see in a lot of factories that on a lot of machinery wheels are used. Aeroplanes take off and land on wheels. और जो aeroplanes होते हैं, it also have wheels. वो take off भी wheels पे करते हैं और land भी. We and our goods move very fast now. और due to the invention of lot of wheels and due to the lot of technologies, now we and our goods can move very fast from one place to another. Machines also rotate by wheels. The machines, there are a lot of machinery which only work on wheels. The wheels has made our life easy. So due to the invention of the wheel, our life have become so easy. So these are some different kind of wheels which are used in the different kind of vehicles. Now Assess yourself. Assess yourself. First is your tick the correct answer. First, early man carried his luggage on. So, a early man used to carry his luggage on his back. Second, first wheel was made by cutting a round disc from a. So, a clever man, cut the disc from a log. Third, our goods move very fast from now on wheels. So, due to the wheels, our goods move very fast from one place to another. B. Answer in yes or no. First, was the sledge easier to move? No, sledge was not easy to move. Animals were used to move the sledge. Second, was the early wheel cut from a log? Yes, it was cut from a log. So, this is also right. Third, does the potter make carts? No, potter make clay pots. So, this is no. Fourth, do the aeroplanes have wheels? Yes, aeroplanes have wheels. They take off from wheels and also land on wheels. So, this is yes. Answer in one word. First, who pulled the sledge? Animals were used to pull the sledge. Second, who tamed the animals to carry loads? A man tamed the animals to carry loads. Third, what was fixed to a pair of wheels to make a cart? So, wheels के ऊपर क्या fix किया गया to make a cart? A sledge was fixed on the wheels to pair a cart. Answer the following questions. First, what gave the idea of a wheel? So, what gave the idea of the wheel? When a man used sledge, it was difficult to pull heavy loads for long distance. Some clever men saw a log rolling down a hill. He got an idea and he put some round sticks under the sledge. So, this is your answer number 1, that it was very difficult to pull the sledge. So, that was why a man discovered the wheel. Second, what is the use of invention of the wheel? So, after the invention of the wheels, the things have become very easy. We use wheels mostly in all the vehicles and in all the machinery. So, the invention of wheels were very useful for the men. Now, how do machines rotate? So, machines rotate with the help of wheels. So, we have completed the chapter. We have done all the question answers. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much. Happy learning.